Is it time to buy or sell Nike stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nike. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of September, 2024, our system has identified Nike as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.17%. This results in an average return of 0.31% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, situated at $89.67, would initially indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of nearly 19.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from about 8.94% to 21.33%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of 26.08% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 45.89% and negative 19.58%. This results in a projected price range of approximately $47.83 to $71.09 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for Nike features the headline, Nike stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Nike stock price experienced a decline of 1.16%, moving from $89.44 to $88.40. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.30%, hitting a low of $87.73 and a high of $89.75. Remarkably, the price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.78% over the past 2 weeks. Although volume rose by 3 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, 10 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $920,870,000. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $123.39, while the lowest was $70.75. Currently, the price sits at 28.36%, or $34.99, below the 52-week high, and 50.64%, or $90.70, below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $179.10. Nike is preparing to unveil its earnings report for the first quarter of its fiscal year on the 1st of October, 2024, amid challenging circumstances, including a transition in leadership. Analysts anticipate a significant decline in both sales and profits compared to the previous year, with expectations of a 45% drop in earnings per share and notable downward revisions in revenue forecasts for fiscal year 2025. This expected decline is projected to be the steepest since the COVID pandemic. The incoming CEO, Elliott Hill, is anticipated to implement strategies to reverse the current trajectory of the brand. While investors initially responded positively to the leadership change, ongoing drops in revenue and revised forecasts have raised concerns. Analysts point out that Nike's relative valuation has become more attractive over the past decade, trading at 2.1 times its trailing 12-month revenue, which may appeal to value investors. In the short term, these disappointing earnings expectations and leadership challenges may place downward pressure on Nike's stock price as investors prepare for potential misses and recognize the need for strategic adjustments. However, in the long term, a successful turnaround under the new leadership could restore confidence and spark renewed interest in the stock, particularly if Nike addresses its declining sales effectively. The market will closely monitor these earnings and subsequent developments to shape its outlook on Nike's future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NKE a hold rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NKE a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NKE a negative rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned NKE a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned NKE a sector weight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nike stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and also rate the price-to-book as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nike. The Nike stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $87.92 and $82.56. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal generated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which might affect near-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 10, 2024, and since then the stock has increased by 13.2%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 174 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nike. Nike finds support from accumulated volume at $86.52, which presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.02 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.3%. During the last week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 1.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 1st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 51 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nike is at $89.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nike encounters its first support level at $86.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nike from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of September, 2024, Miller & conducted an insider purchase of 36,833 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On the same day, Matheson Monique S. also made an insider purchase of 36,833 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. Additionally, on the 18th of September, 2024, Williams Craig A. conducted an insider purchase of 73,665 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On that same day, O'Neill Heide made an insider purchase of 73,665 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. Finally, on the 18th of September, 2024, Friend Matthew conducted an insider purchase of 49,110 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 5.268. Overall, insiders purchased 5,729,002 shares and sold 5,210,273 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $85.75, indicating a decline of 2.99%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which corresponds to a medium risk level. The relative strength index for 14 days stands at 90, significantly elevating the associated risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 23 days ago. Is Nike stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a promising buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Nike stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis, upgrading it from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and fluctuations from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of October, we anticipate that Nike will open with an increase of approximately 22 cents, starting at $88.63. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.